Morning has broken like the first morning. Blackbird has spoken like the first word. Praise for the singing, praise for the morning, praise for them springing fresh from sweet the rain's new fall, sunlit from heaven, like the first dew fall on the first breath. Praise for the sweetness of the red garden, sprung in completeness where his feet had.
Parimad äratajad on siin. Star FMi hommikuprogramm igal tööpäeval 6-10.